Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will show this special 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special head unit for Subaru WRX Forester. Okay, this install part screw with this install kit. And there are two harnesses. And the other one. Okay. Let me check the settings. System, bat motion, you can check PX5 Octa rack chip, Android version 8.0, Oreo. Okay, it's built-in Wi-Fi, and you can change button color in car setting. Element, you can choose red, green, yellow. Can adjust. Okay. Bluetooth. Compare the Bluetooth. You can check the pin number 40. This is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Let me open the Bluetooth. And the click search button, it is searched. And the pin, you will put the pin number. You can put 40. Okay, it changed color. Already paired device. You can make a phone call. Okay. You can take out this screen protector before using. Just take out screen protector. Okay, let me check the beat music. The reconnect Bluetooth. Pair the Bluetooth. Okay. Okay. Let me check the music. There's two USB cable. Choose the right path. Okay, let me check the video. The video disabled while driving for safety. You need to open the settings to set the video. Drive settings, watch video. Okay. You can check this 4K Samsung. And you can install wallpaper from USB or internal APK installer, OEM board wallpaper. You can open the settings to set the second home launcher. You can choose the launch 3. It's run music and dual screen, run music and navigation at the same time. It shows easy connects, fun mirror link, support Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. It's mirror link, and it's built in the Google Maps and the Google Play Store. You can download the application from Play Store. Okay, it can run music and navigating at the same time. It's double D spatial 10.1 inch. Okay, thank you.